Hola Amigos, welcome to Insights. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. If you've already been here and haven't yet subscribed, please do it right away and don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified whenever we come up with more such insightful videos.
In this video, I'll show you some cool ice cubes that will get you clear and glowing skin, which I call it as beauty cubes. If you're dealing with occasional pimple, then this cube is all that you need. Here's the first one. For this, you need tomato, half a cucumber or even 1/4 will do, and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to it. Blend them all well, and guys, let me tell you that the shelf life of all these ingredients is only 5 to 7 days and you can't store them for more than that. Meanwhile, grab the ice cube tray from the freezer and pour the mixture into it. Beautiful and clear skin is what we all desire, right? Commercial products do not always do what they claim. And I believe that natural ingredients always work the best. So here's the second beauty cube. For this, you would need turmeric. Turmeric powder is a well-known skin brightener and it helps fight acne spot. To this, add some water and stir them well until you find no lumpy parts. This ice facial with frozen turmeric juice is super effective and I really want you guys to try them out. If you're not so comfortable with how this mixture smells, you can go ahead and add some rose water to it for that extra benefit and fragrance. Grab your ice cube tray again and pour this mixture into it and keep it aside because we got another super effective beauty cube coming in. We all know that aloe vera has tremendous benefits. It has great skin soothing and moisturizing properties. The soothing and cooling effect of the frozen aloe vera instantly provides comfort for even the worst of sunburns. If you don't have aloe vera plant, you can use aloe vera gel instead. But if you prefer it even fresher, you can peel and squeeze it straight from the plant. It may seem simple, but that's the point. You'll be surprised how good this frozen gel feels on your skin. You know what's the best thing about this freezed aloe gel? That it acts as a gentle makeup remover. The anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and redness, which makes spots look less noticeable instantly. And keep this tray into the freezer and wait till it gets freezed. And here are your cubes ready to be used.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, do let me know in the comment section below. I'd appreciate any feedbacks and inputs and I'll try my best to use them in my upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Wassalama.